afternoon. Hi, my name is Luis Felipe Polio Sanchez, grade 7-1. Expired barbecued. Ingredients: expired, sprit put, water, garlic, salt to taste, barbecue size, air fryer. 1. Cook the rib in the water and salt and garlic to fast for 13 minutes. When the 20 minutes had passed, remember the water and marines the ribs. Place the air fryer for 20 minutes. Tax the rib it well broken. Ready to serve it with barbecue sauce. Thanks.